Hello everyone, this is Julian here, and I know I just did a little live stream where we were lighting up some fireworks, but now I'm just going to do a regular video so you can see this epic light show happen in highest quality possible. And as you see, we are lighting some up right now for New Year's of 2020. Happy New Year everyone, so let's watch. Those were just flares, right?
Yeah, just flares.
Yeah.
Extra ones though, we have a few more.
Okay. Oh, it's good.
They're just little tiny ones, so they don't last that long.
Yeah, I think that one's gonna be launched last. Yeah, I know, it's massive.
After use. Oh
yeah.
It's gonna be like really hot, probably.
The three amigos. I spelled amigos wrong. I guess amigos.
Oh, that was better.
Oh wow.
That looks way better. Oh wow.
That's really good. They don't last that long, though.
Yeah, that is too bad.
Really long when they last much longer. So we got that. And we can do a couple more sparklers.
Any more light shows?
Yeah, we're actually, I don't know when we're gonna do this, but they're gonna launch this one pretty soon. Right now, he just planted some sparkles in the ground. There's a firework going off in the distance there. There we go. Come on, please work, please work, please work, please work.
Maybe it's too cold for them to work.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, all right, now we're gonna launch this big bad boy here.
Let me get it ready.
It says you have to douse with water.
All right, here we go. All right, it's about to go off.
I'll give them a sec.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Here goes nothing. Oh, that is awesome. Woo! Oh, that is pretty.
That's the big one, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa! Oh my god, that is awesome. Woo! That was awesome. What you see through the camera does not describe how awesome that was, how pretty that was. Well, I guess that's it.